What's up YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and I'm here to show you how to swap your taillights on your 2017 Volkswagen Jetta to look from these taillights here to go from this to looking like this. Tools needed to do this is a Torx bit and a size 10 socket. Hopefully you haven't lost yours yet. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take our Torx bit and we're going to use it on this screw in here. There's one screw there and there's another one in here. So we're going to pop these two screws out and I'll tell you what to do afterwards. Once you pop the two screws out, you're just going to take this and you're going to pull it down very hard. And it's just a couple of clips that loosen it up. It's a little hard to do one-handed, but there you go. And that's how you expose the inner layer of the trunk. Once you expose the inner layer of the trunk, you're going to want to get your size 10 socket, and you're going to want to undo these two nuts on both sides for each taillight that are on the trunk lid right here. Once you undo that, you unplug it and then you install the new one. And when you install the new one, you're gonna have to do some wiring here because this is aftermarket. So the aftermarket unit plugs into the OEM and goes into the light itself. So once you've undone those two nuts, you're gonna go down here into your trunk and you just pop out this little shield here, and then you take this nut here and you loosen it, and that's what gets this light out. Okay, so going to the wiring, as you can see here, there's two stubs, that yellow one and the black one, right there and right there. And the black one I have right here, and it's a really long wire. Focus please. Okay, it's a really long wire because you're supposed to use that and you're supposed to wire it through the trunk from all the way up here on the trunk through here into this taillight where it would plug in to this connector. However, we cut it out because it served no purpose. It did simply nothing. So instead what we did was we used the yellow wire that we snipped off here and we unpinned it from this black connector. And when we unpinned it, we repinned it back into this connector here. And it's the last connector all the way to the left when plugged in. And we wired that, we wiretapped it into this wire harness, which is pin number 4 on the OEM harness, blue and black. So we just wiretapped it in here, and that's what makes the turn signals work properly, which makes it go like this. Other than that, everything is pretty much just plug and play. You just put this in, put your sponge in, and you just wire it in, put everything back. Once you're done, you have taillights that are LED, GLI look-alike, that work with the parking lights and everything. I'll show you what they look like now.